During a walk along the way with my dog in tow, I notice a variety of squirrels feast on nature's food. From mushrooms to pine nuts to fish. Yes, fish, if an opportunity presents itself. Remnants of their feasting can be seen regularly if you know what to look for. From mushrooms with curious bite marks to scattered and partially eaten pine nuts on a picnic table,
this is a squirrel with a big mushroom.
a squirrel makes a meal of an oyster mushroom and delights in dining on this fantastic fungi.
I'm trying to stay really quiet so I don't scare them off.
A squirrel feasts on a small fish, an eel, likely found near the lake. Another squirrel cozies up in a quiet corner of the woods and feasts on nature's food. On the other side of the woods, a squirrel chomps down on nature's treat. Its chubby cheeks a result of being chock full of pine nuts. On the home front, a white squirrel does a taste test of his scattered acorns to confirm they're still fresh, before placing them back in the hoarding hole. Notice nature, naturally naked nature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.